So these are final submission P18 Comprog. This code runs in language standard ISO C++11. So let's execute the file. When viewing product catalog, wala pa namutang diri kay wala pa ta nagadtog product. So when buying, wala gyapon products available to order. So when accessing admin, you need to put admin here. So kumbaga mo ni siya ang password. Kung mali ang password, valid choice rin butang diya. So ato na to sa admin. Naman niyang admin UI. So let's start adding new product. So enter product name must contain a letter. Piput ta makabak if na typo. So at if nag sell tawag keyboard, gaming keyboard. Then ibutan na to sa enter. Enter product category. So ang category is butang nato na kuan PC components. Then atong stock is 10. Then ang price sa gaming keyboard is 3,000. So product added successfully. Let's add another product. So let's say nagbaligya tawag gaming mousepad. PC components yapon ang category. Quantity is 10. Let's say 15. And price is 2,000. So check na to. Display all products. Tara, sakto. Keyboard, gaming mouse, para ID. So let's say mag-update og stock. Update stock. Enter product ID or name to update. So update na to ang gaming mouse. Ito siyang stock out. Minus na to 5. So let's see. Display all products. Minus og 5 ang quantity. Say let's add new product. Category smartphone. Quantity 10. Price 20,000. So let's say update na ba ito product stock. Atong mo ng iPhone 11. Atong stock stock out 10. Let's say display is 0 quantity. At isang stock in 10. Let's see. Okay na. So try tawag search product. Let's say search na to ang gaming keyboard. Pwede ra ba ta makabutang og gaming na rin? Tara. Gaming keyboard. Product details. How about let's try its name, product name. Product number. Dili pwede. Ngalan ra. So calculate na to inventory value to 50,000 tanan. Times di mo siya times 10, times 10, times 10 natin. So mo yung value. So let's try to delete product. Okay, let's add new product to delete. So enter product name. Let's say charger. Category. Hmm, Mobile components. Quantity is 10. Price 300. So let's delete. Let's delete charger. Charger. 6 delete. Say charger. Product deleted successfully. Let's see. Okay, wala na siya. So let's try to buy the ordering system. View product catalog first. So let's say we would like to buy iPhone 11. Buy product. So it's in smartphone category. iPhone 11. 1. Let's buy 2 iPhone 11. Enter item number to add to cart. So maratong paliton. So finish sa 0. Do you want to add products from another category? No. Do you want to confirm your orders? Yes. Kuhan lang. E-wallet. So mag-send ka. Dali. So Y is yes. Have you sent your payment? So Y is yes. N is for no. B is for back. So let's say mag-cash na lang ta. Back to back. Cash. Dito na lang yung cash. Narang receive. 40,000. So let's try to buy again. Let's say random products. Yan eh. Palitan na to ang gaming mouse. Yes. Center quantity 1. Enter. Okay, dili na ta. Dili na palit. Let's say magpalit pa tao gaming gaming keyboard. Do you want to add products from another? Yes. Do you want to add products from another category? Meaning nga is gusto ba kang magpalit sa lain category? So, yes na. Say palit ta itong keyboard. PC components. Gaming keyboard 1. Let's buy 1. Yes, finish ordering. No na. Do you want to add products from another category? No. So, muna yung order summary. Yes, napalitan na ito eh. E-wallet na ito. Itong yes. Yes, sena na ito. Muna siyang receipt. So, let's see if na-update ba ang quantity. Na-update ang quantity. So, let's say magpalit nag-exceed ang quantity sa palito nila. Gaming keyboard. Say, palit tag 10. Valid na not enough stock. What if mga dili number? Yes, interval. Yes, sakto. Let's say palitan ni keyboard 1. Quantity is butang na delete number. Balik siya na rin. So let's go back. Diri na naman. Exit na rin. Okay. Okay na, thank you sir.